How to find BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. So if you want to find BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallet, then first launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to provide your passcode or your fingerprints in order to log into your account. Now once you've logged in, you just need to tap on the crypto tab, and here you will have to find BNB. Now, if you're not being able to find the BNB option in this section, then what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon, which is on the top right hand side corner of the screen. And after that, you need to use the search bar and you need to type BNB into it. Now, once you type BNB, you're going to see the BNB Smart Chain option, and right next to it, you will going to see the toggle button. So simply tap on the toggle button, and in order to turn it on, you need to tap on it. Once you do this, you'll be able to see the BNB option on your home page. So now, once you see the BNB option, you just need to simply tap on it, and you'll be able to see the four options over here: send, receive, buy, and swap. Now, in order to find your BNB B20 address, you need to tap on receive. And once you tap on receive, you'll be able to see your BNB address. If you want to copy, then you just need to simply tap on copy button. If you want to share it with your friends or family members, then you need to tap on the share button. And after that, you can select any of your social media applications that you would like to share. So that's how you can find your BNB BEP20 address on your Trust wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.